Hey, I'm Andrea, and this is William Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. It cannot be. The only person I love was born into the only family I hate, said Juliet, disappointed. When everyone left, Juliet went up to her room. She talked to the moon from her balcony. Why are you called Romeo? Why are you a Montague? Your surname is my only enemy, but what does a name matter? If a rose was called by any other name, it would still smell as sweet. Change your name so we can be together. Suddenly, a voice answered her. It was Romeo, who had hidden below her window to see her again. Call me love, he said. How did you get in? What are you doing here? If my family see you, they will kill you, said Juliet nervously. Romeo ignored her words, climbed up to the balcony and said, I don't want to live without your love. Tell me the truth. Do you love me? Juliet asked. I swear to you on the moon that shines above us, he answered. Do not swear on something that changes so often. I don't want your love to change like that. Tell me then, who should I swear on? Give me your word and I will believe you. Or better, don't do it. It is too soon. We shall leave it like that, and we shall see what happens between us. Goodbye. You're going to leave me like that? Said Romeo, puzzled. Like what? What do you want? For you to promise me that you love me. I have already given you my love without you asking for it. I would like to give it to you again, another day. Then, will you leave me without it? I am taking it away from you to offer it to another day. Be quiet, someone is calling me. I'll be right back. A few minutes later, Juliet returned. She had managed to make her nurse leave without her suspecting anything. She approached Romeo, who was still hanging from the balustrade. Dearest Romeo, if you love me enough to marry me tomorrow, send me a note with a place and a time, and I will meet you there, she said. The two lovers carried on talking until the whole night had passed by. It is almost daytime, and I have to leave you, said Juliet. Good night, Romeo. Good night, Juliet, he replied, watching his love walk away. I have to talk to Friar Lawrence. He will help me, he said to himself. So, what do you think is the problem between Romeo and Juliet? Do you think the story will have a happy ending?